We're hauling out.
Hauling out?
Yeah.
Why do we want to do that?
We need to clean the bottom.
Clean the bottom? She's got a clean bottom.
No.
Moya's 100% right. We're going to take the opportunity to haul out and anti-foul, sand, clean, anti-foul, inspect the prop and the drive shaft and all those sort of things, and clean our impeller so we can get boat speed. And the service they offer here is you come out on the club dolly. Now, club dolly is a four-wheeled structure, big steel structure, and they lower it into the water on a high tide, and you steam up onto the dolly. They lash you to the sides.
To one side? It's only got one side.
Is it only got one side?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I saw it earlier. There was a Venator on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So they lash you to the one side, and they pull you out of the water. The boat rests on the keel, and they pull you up. What's quite nice is that they don't then transfer you to the hard. So you don't have to come out of the dolly onto the hard with props. You stay on the dolly for 4 days. And in those 4 days, you get dirty and grimy.
Yeah, you look like Smurfs.
Yeah, so gonna get that job done, and then we'll be ready. Yeah, ready for Madagascar.
And we'll go a lot faster.
And we go fast, boy, but we're gonna go so much faster. Anyway,
What's happening today?
Today, my baby's going on the hard to get it bottom clean. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Bam.
Are you ready, Moya?
Yeah, I'm ready. Okay. I'm waiting for Dad though. He's going too slow.
You don't like my tying of lines, eh?
No, it's how we tie. Yeah, we put a knot this ball.
Okay, that's how you do it. All right. Happy?
Spinach.
What?
Spinach.
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 We learn something every day, hey? Not around the... Yeah?
Oh, sorry.
Also must go just around there. Yeah. Okay. A few times.
Right, so
you'll see.
So this is to stop that.
Say again?
Stop the boat. Stop that movement.
You have to catch. Sinjan is finished up.
More on the back. This way, is it straight?
It's straight, but it's turning more way to the back. Mind you, about in the shape and the scatty by flat, in Cabe Valley City move.
Yeah, Shropa. I can see that. Check the fenders are under pressure too.
Getting squashed. No, we just here. You must put weight to this side. Heavy. Are we gonna touch now? Because we're still going like this a bit. Yeah.
We should be touching already.
Maybe we are.
Maybe you're not moving.
When was the last time we took her off?
2020 September 2020. No, 2020. Previous year. Yeah, she looks good. She doesn't look too bad.
No, not bad at all. It's nearly 2 years, eh?
Yeah. What do you think about this whole thing?
She doesn't even know where we are. Let's go show her.
She's like, what? Where's the water?
What are you doing?
I've got an orbital sander down here somewhere. I've got to find it. Oh. Ah, here we go. And today is going to be the hardest day. Yesterday we pressure hosed and scraped off all the barnacles. And today is sanding. Not going to be fun.
Mum,
Makes a big difference. Yeah,
can you see how blue you are?
And what time? Oh, okay. It's like an hour or so, alright. I'm gonna go have a beer.
That owls. Yeah,
Ah, that's it. Yeah, good, carry on. Did a good job. There's a hole in my boat. Dear Eliza, dear Eliza. Look at my hair, I look like... Look at me, look at me, I look like Einstein, Albert Einstein.
He was
I don't
brilliant.
know what to do with it. Ah!
What did you find?
I found it in my toilet. I always wanted one. Always wanted one.
And what are you going to be doing?
painting the keel.
Okay. We're all getting stuck in here, huh?
This is not fitting.
Boy, I see you quickly start painting when the camera comes out.
Mom.